Now let us see the physical properties of alcohol phenols. As well as you can see, we will see the ethers later on. Let us see first the alcohol phenol. First discuss their state. See, we know that all alcohols are basically colorless liquids, and what we find is that since they are mainly the reason of being them liquids is because of their hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Phenols also are colorless liquids or maybe the solid, but the old samples of what we find is that phenol acquires a wine red color due to their oxidation. So that's basically is there about the status. What is most important to discuss is their boiling point. The boiling point of alcohols due to their intermolecular hydrogen bonding are higher than the corresponding even ethers, alkyl halides and hydrocarbons. The reasoning because that means we can take alcohols are having more than what higher than we can take ethers, we can take alkyl halides, we can take hydrocarbons. All of these they have more than this. The reason being they have strong hydrogen bonding. It's like this. So they develop this hydrogen bonding. As a result, their boiling points are higher than the other similar like ethers, alkyl halides and alcohol, hydrocarbon compounds. Now what we find most interesting is that the boiling point increases with the increase in the number of carbon atoms, and it decreases with the branching, as we have discussed in the case of the alkyl halides also. Now if phenol also develops hydrogen bonding. As a result, its boiling point is higher than what we have is in comparison to the similar very similar aryl halides. What we find is, yes, their boiling points are higher. Then let us discuss their solubility. Remember, lower alcohols in all proportion are soluble in water. The reason being that they are able to form hydrogen bonding with water molecules. So in all proportion they are soluble in water, but the higher ones becomes insoluble. The reason being because of those bulky alkyl groups due to which the hydrogen bonding becomes impossible. As a result, what we find is the higher ones are insoluble, lower ones all are alcohols are soluble in water.